Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to use the application of Starz on. You will go to settings, you will get the application of Starz on PC and click here. Then you will go to about the sign of profile and you will click. Here in this page you will find this window of account settings and you will click here as you see. When you will go to account settings, you will find here account details. You will find here email and email address as you see, your name, your password here as you see. Then you will find manage profiles. You will find your profile like this. Display languages if you want to change language. Here profile lock if you want to turn on to lock your profile or not. Here viewing restrictions, watching history and your list, you will find it here. Also you will find it in this page like this. You will find here devices and access if you want to access your devices to this application of Starz as you see here. As you see, you will find your purchase history if you want to explore content. Then you will find download preferences if you want to turn off download on Wi-Fi only, or if you want to turn on. Here video download quality, you will find it in this page to manage your quality of videos. Here if you want to delete all downloads. And as you see here, you will find your storage on this application. And then we go here to log out. As you see, you will find also lives if you want to go to live. Here free TV as you see here, Starz play in this sign. You can go to movies to change or to choose any movie you want, or TV shows you want here in this page. So that's all. That's how you can use this application of Starz on Starz on app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.